Hello all, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for coming back to watch my videos, and this is another video on Go language with Struct as a topic to discuss in this video. I'm going to discuss how Struct type can be utilized to store the records and move it forward. Okay, so let us start. Those who are familiar with the C language structures or C++ structures, this is same as that. It is actually a collection of data types into a single variable, and which can also used to store multiple values of same data type into a single variable. Structure used to store multiple values of different data types. It is you can use this as a creation of a record, and with a record with multiple data types and multiple values into the a particular row. Okay, so you can think of that, but yeah, so let us go. So you have to use a type and a struct as the type and struct name and struct, and then member one data type, member two data type, like that, so on you can create. Okay, for example, a person record, then what it will have? It will have a name, it will have age, it will have a job, and it will have salary, right? Name will be a string, age will be integer, job will be string again, and the salary will be integer. So we can create like this, and then we can declare a variable of type person, and then assign the records into that particular record, and access multiple records, create multiple records, and add multiple parameters or array of structures also we can create. Okay, so let us declare type person struct, and then in the function we are creating variable person1 as a person2 as a person, and then person1 dot to access the member. So you have to actually use the struct name or variable name dot and the variable name, right? And create person2, and then create a particular person record. Okay, so it is if you are familiar with the C language, then it is easy to understand, right, in structures. So here we have created two records, and we have printed two records. Okay, so it has printed two records, right? So we can pass structure as a function arguments also. It will become a user defined data type, integer, float, string. They're all system defined or Golang defined data types, but struct is a user defined data type, and you can pass the parameters as an arguments into a function, and then work on that particular record, and then display. For example, you are displaying here, you are assigning the values here, and then displaying, calling the function, and then in person1 you are displaying, right, function 1, function 2, function 3 with the printing of each name. Now you are not repeating that printing, this is one time call, but you are calling with passing the parameters of a struct parameter with the person1 and person2, and you are able to print it. Okay, go through this and experiment it, you will be able to understand very easily. So let us close the final chapter maps in this video, and conclude the Golang tutorial which is mentioned in W3 schools, and next chapters we will identify advanced topics and give as and when required. So maps are used to store a name value pairs or key value pairs. Each element in the map is a key value pair. A map is unordered and changeable collection that does not allow duplicates. The length of the map is number of the elements. You can find length function. The default value of map is null. Maps also refers to an underlying hash table. So Go has multiple ways of creating maps. You can use where, and you can use colon equal to, right, and where a and map key value key value and value type, key one, key type, value type. I mean, both can be types, right? I mean, it can be integer, key can be integer, key can be string, key can be float also. Similarly, value can be, multiple data types. Or inference also. You can create that with the inference. So let us actually try, with the sample, where a equal to map a string see here. So the syntax is key type, value type. Key type and value type, you see, and then key value, key value, key value. Okay, key type, value type. Understand this. Okay, the syntax is like this. Okay, map, and then in parenthesis string and without parenthesis string, and then curly brackets and key name values, whatever. If it is integer or string, string should be in double quote. We are assigning. Similarly, inference value b, then a string is a key and a value. So key value Oslo 1 like this. Then we are printing. We can also index through the maps, right? Let us actually verify that how a map can be done. Okay, so you can also use maps using make, and then map and key type, value type, right? And then assign a particular name values like this. First you make it and make the name values and then print it. I think creating an empty map, make starts with empty map, then you can actually value type, right? This is the empty map, and then this is also empty map, right? And so allowed key map can be used any of the booleans, numbers, strings, arrays, pointer structures. Okay, invalid slices, maps, functions are not allowed inside as a values. Value types, map value can be any type. Access map elements, you can access by the key. Okay, right, the key you can access by key. Okay, you can update with the key value and change value, and remove the element, delete that particular element. Map value and key, map name and key, you can delete that, then that will become a, length will be reduced. Check for specific elements. You want to see this one, let us see this. Okay, so this one initially, the map is 3 key value pairs, and we deleted the last one, right? And now only 2 are here, the last one we deleted, so we have only 2 key value pairs in the map. Okay, so check for specific elements in the map, right? You can value okay colon, if you only want to check the existence of certain key. Okay, you can only use only checking for existing key and not its value. Okay, existing key, right? So there are reference to then what will happen is If you assign a variable, then they're all different way hash map, and whatever you change in A or you change in B, both will reflect the same. Okay, so you can iterate through the range, okay, with A, and it will print. Okay, so you can iterate also different order. These are all, basic functions. Okay, so that is all about Go language mentioned in W3 schools. I will try to cover additional topics in other tutorials like pointers, and if I see any other, and I will also cover advanced topics like connecting to the database, and okay, keep watching, and wait for my upcoming videos. Thank you all for joining, and if you like this video, subscribe, like, comment, and share my videos. Thank you.